morning, students. In lecture number 2, I will discuss the basic of polynomial. Then I will tell you what is polynomial. Polynomial word derived from two words, poly and nomial. Poly means many, nomial means term. An algebraic exponent which have many terms is called a polynomial. Today I will discuss polynomial in one variable. An expression of the form of a0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2 up to an x to the power n. And before this an minus 1 and an minus 1. Clear? Then a0, a1, a2, an minus 1, an are called constant and an is not equal to 0. If an equal to 0, or if you can say that here a0, a1, a2, an minus 1 and an is 0, then this term will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 up to 0. So then you can say that then it is 0. Then 0 is called the 0 polynomial. And the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined like this. This 0 you can write 0 into x, 0 into x square, 0 into x cube up to so on. So the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined because it never ends. Then I will tell you classification of polynomial, and first I will tell you on the basis of term, and then secondly I will tell you on the basis of exponent. Exponent means power. On the basis of term, monomial, a polynomial of one term. A polynomial of one term, for example 2x x to the power 4, or you can say root 2 x to the power 10. It means power may be any, but it having one term. It is called a polynomial of one term is called monomial. Binomial. A polynomial of two term is called binomial. For example, 2x cube plus 1, it having two term, it also having two term. Power may be any. And then trinomial, a polynomial of three term like this, it having three term, 1 2 3 1 2 3. And then next is on the basis of exponent. Exponent means power. Clear? Linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1. What is degree? The highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? That is 4. That is 10. That is highest power is 3. Highest power is 4. So this is the degree of this polynomial is 3. The degree of this polynomial is 2 because highest power is 2. Now a polynomial of degree 1, for example ax plus b. Ax plus b, it is a polynomial. It is the general form of a polynomial, linear polynomial ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0, because if a is equal to 0, then this x will be 0 and b may be 0. This may be 0. For example 2x plus 1, it is a linear polynomial because highest degree is 1. Root 2x, it is also a linear polynomial because highest degree is 1. Here b may be 0. It is clear to you. Then next one is quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 2 like this, ax square plus bx plus c. Here highest power is 2, so it is called a quadratic polynomial. Here a is not equal to 0. A, b and c may be 0. Clear? Because if a equal to 0, then 0 into x square, the degree of x square term will be 0. There is no quadratic term. So a is not equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. It is a quadratic polynomial because highest degree is 2. Here highest degree is 2. Here x square also a quadratic polynomial because here coefficient of x square is a, is 1 here. Clear? And then cubic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3. General form, and polynomial in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0, b, c and d may be 0, like this. X cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. It is a cubic polynomial because its highest degree is 2. 2x cube plus 2x it is also a cubic polynomial because highest degree is 3. X cube also a cubic polynomial, and then x cube plus 3 also a cubic polynomial because highest degree is 3. So it is clear to you classification of polynomial on the basis of term. If one term, monomial. If a polynomial having two term, binomial. If a polynomial having three term, trinomial. Linear, a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear. Quadratic, a polynomial degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Cubic, a polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. And constant polynomial, a polynomial of degree 0, like this. Phi, this you can write phi into x to the power 0. It is called a constant polynomial. So it is clear to you. Thank you.